In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to create a professional drop shadow effect in Adobe Photoshop using the most efficient and common method available. Whether you are working on graphic design projects, text effects, or product photography, adding a drop shadow is the perfect way to create depth and make your elements pop off the canvas. This technique is incredibly powerful and will save you time once you master the settings. If this video helps you improve your workflow, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest design tutorials. Let's dive right into the software and get started. First, you need to have your project open in Photoshop. Go over to your Layers panel on the right side of the screen and select the specific layer you want to apply the drop shadow to. This could be a text layer, a shape, or a cutout image. With that layer selected, move your mouse down to the very bottom of the Layers panel. Locate the icon that looks like a small lowercase fx. Click this icon to open the Layer Styles menu. From the list that appears, select Drop Shadow. This will instantly open the Layer Style dialog box, which is where all the magic happens. Now, let's go through the controls so you can customize the look of your shadow. First, look at opacity, which controls how transparent or solid your shadow appears. Lower it for a subtle look or raise it for a darker, more dramatic effect. Next is the angle control. This determines the direction from which your light source is coming from. Simply click and drag the dial to rotate the direction of your shadow. Moving down, you will see the distance setting. This allows you to push the shadow away from your object, creating an illusion of elevation or height. The spread control is next, which dictates the intensity of the shadow's edges. A higher spread gives you a sharper, more defined shadow, while a lower spread keeps it soft. Finally, adjust the size slider to control the blur or softness of the shadow. Increasing this makes the shadow expand and become less defined, perfect for a natural look. Feel free to tweak these values until they perfectly complement your design. Once you are happy with how your object looks, simply click the OK button to apply the changes. And that is everything you need to know about creating a perfect drop shadow manually in Photoshop. It is a simple yet essential skill that will make your designs look much more professional moving forward. Before we wrap up, if this content helped you out, please show your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.